come up with a handy little program to search your inventory from your warehouse. Now, sometimes you know the part number, and so what I've done is I've copied a part number and I'm going to put it in under A2 here. And there you can see the part number is displayed underneath. It tells you what the item is, and it tells you the location of the item. Now, the other thing you could know, you could need to know sometimes, you don't know what the product number is, but you know what the description is. So let's select one, and I'm going to go Control C, and let's go back to there, and let's search under this and go Control V, and there you see that we have the product number for you, the description, and the location where it is. Okay, so quite often you're in a warehouse and you're wondering what the product is that's in the next shelf. So let's go with this one, and let's go to the next shelf to this one. So let's go warehouse 1. We're going to go section 2, and you're going to go shelf 12 and see what that brings up. So there you go. In the next shelf you have Helix foot bath 2 55 gallons. So there you go. Now you know you can see what's in the next shelf. So you can see that you can search by any of these three, and it's very handy. So let me show you the code. The first thing is on the worksheet itself there is there's code, and so I'm going to go right click and go view code. And basically what it's doing is it's saying that if anything changes between A2 and C2, then what you're going to do is you're going to clear the parts that it brought up previously, and then you're going to call advanced. And then it's going to clear what you've put in there to search for it. Now let's go to the advanced. This is actually a small piece of code. It's just I have description and everything here. So we're setting 3 ranges here. One is the sData, which is the source data, which is your inventory sheet. The criteria is in your search sheet, the range A1 to C1. And it's current region, so anything that's below any of these A to C. So that's what they're going to search by. And then the output, we're putting the output back on the search range starting in A4 current region. So this is where the actual search is. sData, which is the advanced filter search. Advanced filter, this is what we're using. X file copy, and we're taking the copy and then we're based on the criteria, and we're putting it in the output section. The last thing that I've done here is, because the descriptions tend to vary in size, what I've done is I've auto-fit them so we don't have anything cut off in the description. I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.